Hi there and welcome to Cooking with Steve. Today we're going to make some tuna crunch rolls. We've got some Petite pans that we've baked here. We've got mayonnaise, sweet corn, tuna, onion and red pepper. The red pepper and onion we're going to dice up. We're going to mix it with the mayonnaise, add the sweet corn, add the tuna, and then we're going to butter the rolls and put the filling inside. My Petite pans are baked. I've sliced them and I've buttered them. Now I'm going to prepare the filling. Got my sweet corn, I'm going to put in a bowl. And my tuna, I'm going to put in the same bowl. I'm going to dice up my onion. Trying not to cut myself. I'm using half an onion, but I may put a bit less in because it's quite strong in flavour. And now I'm going to dice up my pepper. It's easier to take the core out with a smaller knife. And remove as many of the seeds as you can. Cut the pepper in half and take out the pips and the inside. And just slice up. And then dice, big or small as you want. And add to the tuna, the onion and the sweet corn. And then mix in my mayonnaise. I've mixed up my tuna crunch and now I'm just going to fill the rolls ready for lunch. Put a generous amount in the rolls, it looks lovely. And then we have it, tuna crunch rolls.